Is NASA really giving up on Hubble? Bold plan involving SpaceX to rescue Hubble. Hello there. Welcome back to the Elon Musk Signal channel. In a previous upload, we discussed billionaire Jared Isaacman's Hubble rescue plan, proposing the use of SpaceX Dragon to maintain the Hubble. He pledged to cover all costs for this program. Unfortunately, NASA declined. So, does NASA truly abandon Hubble? Of course not. One reason NASA rejected the proposal is Dragon's limited technical capabilities. But honestly, that's not the main reason. The U.S. Space Agency is nurturing a bolder plan than ever, with the colossal SpaceX Starship taking top priority over Dragon. Join us through today's video to uncover more secrets of the Hubble Space Telescope and the future of space exploration missions. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope is not just a simple lens, it holds significant scientific, spiritual, and economic value. As a large space observatory orbiting Earth, Hubble has conducted over 1 million observations, including detailed images of the birth and death of stars, galaxies billions of light-years away, and the impact of comets on Jupiter's atmosphere. From these images, scientists have learned a great deal about the universe, especially in estimating its age and size. In 2016, Hubble encountered malfunctions that halted some crucial functions. Isaacman's team proposed using the Dragon spacecraft to transport astronauts for Hubble repairs, similar to how astronauts serviced telescopes in the past. Ultimately, NASA turned down this proposal. NASA's plan with Starship is much more ambitious. It may involve bringing Hubble back to Earth for comprehensive maintenance or even replacing it with a more powerful new space telescope. Starship can carry much more equipment and material than Dragon and can travel much farther. This opens up new possibilities for telescope repairs and upgrades, as well as for new scientific missions. Although NASA has not disclosed the details of the plan, it's clear they have a vision beyond simply extending Hubble's lifespan. This telescope has served us for over 30 years and significantly contributed to our understanding of the universe. However, it's time to look forward and aim for new discoveries. NASA's plan with Starship is a bold step into the future of space exploration, promising breakthrough scientific discoveries for years to come. Hubble is not just a scientific icon, it's also NASA's most valuable scientific mission in history. The total cost of Hubble was estimated at around $1.3 billion in 2015, including all subsequent maintenance costs but excluding regular operations. Due to its immense scientific, spiritual, and economic importance, NASA is committed to keeping it operational in space for as long as possible. NASA's rejection does not mean the end of Hubble's mission. NASA engineers are exploring alternative solutions. One potential option is using Starship, the heavy-lift spacecraft being developed by SpaceX. Starship has the capability to carry a larger repair team and more equipment than Dragon, which could enable NASA to perform more complex repairs. Furthermore, other private companies are also joining the space race. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos' company, is developing New Glenn, a heavy-lift rocket capable of performing satellite repair missions. However, many argue that if Polaris amateur astronaut team cannot meet NASA's stringent requirements for the Hubble rescue mission, then the agency should take responsibility for sending their astronauts to perform the mission. They could book seats on SpaceX spacecraft, as the current Dragon spacecraft is not equipped with robotic arms to rotate and position the telescope, making spacewalks more convenient. Instead, SpaceX's heavy-lift spacecraft, Starship, might take on this mission. An intriguing idea is to equip Starship with a version of the Canadarm. Canadarm-1 is a series of Canadian robotic arms used on space shuttles to deploy, maneuver, and capture payloads. It also played a vital role in previous Hubble repair missions, assisting in stowing the telescope into the shuttle's cargo bay. It can perform complex tasks with precision and safety, minimizing the risk of collisions with the telescope. However, integrating Canadarm onto Starship poses some challenges. Canadarm is quite large and requires a sufficiently wide cargo bay door to operate effectively. Variants of Starship designed for cargo transport seem more suitable for this mission. Another challenge is designing the control area for Canadarm. On the shuttle, astronauts use a large control panel to operate the robotic arm. Redesigning this control area on Starship will require more technical expertise than providing power. Engineers may consider repurposing old shuttle components to save costs. For example, the shuttle crew module could be used as a starting point for designing the control area, while shuttle fuel module batteries could be combined with solar panel arrays for Starship power. Currently, NASA has not announced detailed plans for repairing or replacing the Hubble telescope. However, using SpaceX's Starship spacecraft for Hubble repairs is emerging as a feasible option. Compared to previous shuttle missions, Starship promises significantly lower costs due to its ability to carry larger payloads at reasonable prices. Of course, the project's costs largely depend on what NASA aims to achieve. If only minor components of Hubble need repairs, costs may be manageable. Conversely, if NASA has bolder ambitions, such as bringing the entire Hubble back to Earth for comprehensive maintenance, costs will increase significantly. Despite many challenges, using Starship in conjunction with Canadarm remains an attractive option. This solution could significantly save costs compared to previous shuttle missions, while leveraging Canada's expertise in space robotics. Now, back to the idea of equipping a robotic arm for the Starship spacecraft to repair the Hubble telescope. Another appealing option is emerging: Canadarm3. In 2019, Canada announced the development of Canadarm3, a new generation intelligent robotic system. Canadarm3 is designed for repairing and maintaining the Gateway space station being built in lunar orbit. Canadarm3 is significantly improved with advanced artificial intelligence systems. Canadarm3, along with other automated computer systems, will care for the Gateway station even when astronauts are not present. They can operate scientific experiments on the lunar outpost and even Mars. The collaboration between NASA, SpaceX, and CSA in the Starship and Canadarm3 projects not only brings hope for the Hubble telescope but also opens up a new era for the space industry. This era will witness the active involvement of intelligent robots in space exploration missions, helping to minimize risks for humans and accelerate the progress of exploring distant celestial bodies. Whether this plan will be accepted or not, we still have to wait and see. Although the mission of the Hubble Space Telescope may be coming to an end, it marks the beginning of a promising new era in astronomy. Instead of continuing to repair Hubble, NASA is directing attention to the next-generation great observatories, promising a leap in accuracy and observation capabilities. The story of the Hubble Space Telescope reminds us that the journey of space exploration is relentless. While we bid farewell to an astronomy icon, the future of this scientific field remains incredibly promising. Let's look forward to new advancements in the era of space conquest. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please leave your comments about today's broadcast episode. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for continuous updates on interesting information. Goodbye and see you in the next video.